need to go, man. Like green. Cut so loud, the police don't like me. No, they don't.
Holy fuck, that motherfucker is loud as fuck. Holy shit. God damn, boy.
What's good, y'all? I'm back with another video, man. As I see, I'm in this thing again, man. But let me go ahead and get y'all the cold start, you know what I'm saying? Wow. But today, this video just me finna go get gas, you know what I'm saying? And it's raining, you know what I'm saying? And I got sport tires on the back, you know what I'm saying? Are they good for the rain? Not too good, cause some days when it rains and I ease off the clutch a little bit at the gas and get a little gas, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know the little process of it, man. But take off at the light, you'll feel it spin just a little bit. But my car is safe to drive in the rain, you know what I'm saying? I got tires, I got tread, you know what I'm saying? But, and I do be having traction off, but when it rains, I do have traction on. But let's go ahead, drive to the gas station, you know what I'm saying? And that really wasn't no cold start neither. That was just regular little startup. Car been sitting all day. I'm gonna wait a little bit. But y'all make sure y'all go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Hit the like button, subscribe. Finna go get gas right now. Finna leave out the parking lot where I'm at. This car need to hurry up. Go ahead and go by. Yeah, I hear that. I hate this part right here. I hate this part. Coming out this parking lot, it's like a slight hill, and then you got to cross over like 3 lanes just to get in the other lane. Well, I'm trying to go left, but oh well. It is not good to race in the rain. It's not good to mash your car. If you got any type of sports car, 392, SRT, Daytona, mustang. Oh, make sure y'all got windshield wipers too. Driving in the rain, make sure y'all got windshield wipers, you know what I'm saying? It's not safe. They need to go, man. Like green. Cut so loud, the police don't like me. No, they don't. Finna pull up at the gas station, you know what I'm saying? In that pump that 93. Ooh, that much. Oh boy, that 5.0 sound good. Oh, see, it just spent. See, I just eased all the clutch and it just spent. But we finna go ahead and get some gas, you know what I'm saying? Why they got the trash can all in the way, man? Why they put the trash can all in the way for? Oh, the screen messed up on this one. God damn. Better go to another one. Ooh, I almost stalled out. Stalled out. Let me go ahead and pump the gas out, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we pumping gas right now. Let me see. Yes, sir. Yeah, I see it. Yes, sir. But it probably finna go up to about $40-something, fill it up, but I had to jump back in the car, man. It's cold. Cold out there. Cold out there, boy. I'm telling you, boy, I had to jump while I'm shaking. Nah, it's cold. And it's raining too. Boy. Oh, it stopped at 39. Hold on. It took exactly $40. Go ahead and get this thing started up, man. That lady was looking at me crazy because I allowed my car in. She was looking at me crazy. Then it echo up under there too. I love doing that. And she wasn't even directly behind the car. She was like in front of the car. Crazy, man. I bet I wake everybody up in this neighborhood down there. Let me turn my lights on. Let me turn my lights on. But yeah, it's safe for me to drive my Mustang in the rain. Ooh, that Camaro going by. That Camaro sounding good, black on black. I don't think y'all would probably see it. Nope, he getting in the left lane. Dang. Boy, that thing looks so good, boy. This is ZL1 too. Y'all ain't gonna be able to see it. This is ZL1. Let me see. Y'all be able to see it. Yep, ZL1. Police were going by, man. I had to turn off the road, man. Turn around, get back on the road. I wanna know who drives this Daytona. I see that Daytona every day, man. That thing's so clean, y'all. People keep looking at me. I got 5% tint though. People look at me crazy. See, it grabbed it then while the street whip. You ain't spinning nothing. But now if I really try to race in the rain, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. I wish it'll snow so I can see what my car do in the snow. Like for real. Oh, I almost stalled out. I'm finna get out, show y'all my tires and stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? They're gonna be about the end of the video right here, man. But I'm gonna show y'all the tires, make sure I got everything out of here. I just went to go fill it up. I'm finna order my lights for the inside that go in the. I'm finna order my lights that go in the ceiling. I'm finna order my lights that go on the floor. I'm finna order all my lights tonight. But look at that. Look at that. It's still like some good tread on it, man. You know what I'm saying? The front is good. You know what I'm saying? Front good. Like these like new tires, you know what I'm saying? For real. When I bought the car, they were like new tires. And so it's been about 4 months. I warmed down a little bit, but that's it for the video, man. You know what I'm saying? Yes, my car is drivable in the rain. But I just want to know what she'll do in the snow. You know what I'm saying? It needs snow. It's cold out here. It needs snow. But y'all make sure y'all like the video, subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? I'm going up all 2020. I don't care what nobody say, man. Y'all share the videos. You know what I'm saying? Watch all the other videos. I got, when I order the lights and stuff, I'm gonna be doing the video installing them. Something else supposed to be good for my car. Oh, I'm finna order a oil catch can. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna be doing my first donuts in the car soon. I did a practice donut yesterday. Did a practice donut yesterday. But yeah, that's it. Make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe, share the video, and we out of this thing.